Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking down prerequisites: domain registration, hosting with PHP 7, 4 or newer, and a MySQL database. Once those are ready, use your host's one-click installer or upload WordPress via FTP and run wp-config setup. This configures your DB and site keys. After install, log in to /wp-admin and immediately set permalink structure and time zone, because correct URLs and time keep SEO and scheduling accurate. Then pick a lightweight theme so your content loads fast, and add basic plugins for SEO, caching, and backups. Now you build structure. Set permalinks to post name and finalize site title and tagline so search engines understand your niche. Next, create core pages: about, contact, privacy, and define categories for consistent taxonomy. This helps navigation and future scaling. Customize your theme or create a child theme to preserve changes. Make layout responsive by checking 16:9 and mobile breakpoints. Also install and configure an SEO plugin, set XML sitemaps, and create your first pillar post. This establishes authority and internal linking patterns for growth. Finish by testing everything. Submit your contact form, check caching behavior, and measure load times. Optimize images and lazy load to improve speed. Once done, enforce security. Enable SSL, limit login attempts, and schedule automated backups so you can recover quickly. Publish content, connect analytics, and submit your sitemap to search engines to start indexing. If something breaks, clear the cache first. Then disable plugins one by one to isolate conflicts. Make sure to restore from your latest backup if a change causes major failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.